Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue again that second chapter, that is the exponent and powers. So students, in previous video already we have learned about that different laws of exponents. But today we are going to study about that standard forms. That means how to changes a large number, how can we write in a small number, okay. And especially today we are going to discuss about that usual form to standard form, and standard form also how to use in usual form. But especially what is the standard form, so I will explain today. So we will learn about that. So let us discuss about this. So use of the exponents to express small numbers in standard form. Students, by using the exponents we have to very large number, we have to make it a small number like, and standard form like we have to write. So suppose one example I have written, students, the speed of light is equal to, you observe here, what is the number you should see, your reading time, your millions like that you have to read, because in international system you have written. If you will say that in Indian system also we can comma, we can keep here, that means 30 crores meter per second. That means this number for reading for you are getting confusion and you are finding. But whenever I have written here 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, it is very easy to remember and to write. So that's why instead of this is called a usual form. That is a big large number we are expressing in a small number like and exponent form. So it is very easy to read and remember. So that's why it is called as usual form and it is called as standard form. Students, same like here is solar radius. Some radius is given to you this number, and you are written also very shortly like this. So how to retain, how to write this, how to write or express the standard form, today we are going to learn. Students, first of all you should see, we have given that some examples. By the examples I will express to you, I will explain to you, then try to understand. If you have confusion, you will come to me later. So students, first question given 0.5368. Students, I am explaining here first 0.5368. Okay, so 0.5368 is a small number also, but how the small numbers also we can express in standard form. Okay, so let us see that standard forms, what is that? How we what is the important things you have to be. Now remember students, standard form means the decimal number should be before, means after that one whole number. That means it should be a whole number. The decimal place will come to here. That means one whole number after the decimal place should be. That means there are two parts of the decimal number. Already I have told that whenever decimal numbers we have studied, already I have told there are two parts. One is whole number parts, another one is decimal number parts. So if suppose 31.1235, so you observe here, this is called as decimal part, this is whole number parts. So the decimal number before, that means whole number part, one digit should be, at least one digit should be, not the at least not compulsory one digit should be. Okay, that means the decimal number before there is no digits now. So we have to, this decimal number we have to move to right side one digit, one place you have to move to right side, then it will become what? 5.368 digit another. Here not there numbers, digit not there, so we need decimal before one digit. So that decimal digit, the decimal should move to the right, shifted to right one place, shifted to right side to one place, then what will become? The result will come like this. Yes, now it is in form, standard form. Okay, so simply how will be, now whenever will multiply with the, whenever we multiply one digit, if you need it, then we have to multiply 10. If we need two digits, then we have to multiply 100. Are you clear? So now one digit we need it, one place we need it, so we have to multiply by 10. 10 if we multiply, then only it will come. So already we have multiplied by 10, then it came to here like this. If we are multiplying by 10, then that numerator it will become big, your big number will become. That's why you have to divide it by also 10. Okay, so I will write here also 10. So I multiplied by 10 here and divided by 10. 10 to 10 cancel, it's the same number. So first of all I multiplied this number. Okay, then it become like this. Now remain 10 power 10 like that is there. So now what you should write? Now 5.368 into here 10 power 1 denominator reciprocal like that is there. We can write like this minus 1. This is our standard. Are you clear? Once again, I will explain to you for you. First of all, you write up this. I will write here. First, what you have to do? 0.5368 into. Observations. The decimal place whenever we go to right side, we have multiplying one place it is going. So 10 power 10 or 10 power 1. So what you have to do? By. Okay, 10 power 1 because it is need to go one place. So 10 I multiplied. So is equal to what we can write it? Whenever we multiply to this first, what will come? 5.368 by 10 power 1. If you 10 is multiplying, then we don't have to divide now because we multiply it is needed. So whenever we multiply with it 10, that number will come this. Then 10 power 10. 10 power 1. So what will you get answer? 5.368 into this 10 power, if 1 is there, then reciprocally it will go 10 power minus 1 because it is a 1 by there. So whenever the division like it is there, power will become minus. So this is answer. So now we will go for the second students. Second one I will explain to here. 1, 2, 3 examples you should understand, then it is easy to understand. So here students observe 3, 3, 6, 9, 11 zeros are there. Second one I am explaining to students. Very careful understand. 3, 6, 9, 11, 9, 4, 2. Okay, this one very big number given. So how will we make it in standard form? Students, first of all, we should count where that decimal place will go. Now here left side not there. That means see the decimal place will move to up to here. Observe students. The decimal place will move to up to here. Okay, so how many places it will go? Count. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 places it will go. Okay, so it will move towards right 12 places. So directly you should write it 0.0306 9, 11, 9, 4, 2 into. What you have to do first into you have to do. How much? How many places needed? 12. So 10 power 12. Did you understand? So how many places will go? When that 12 places will go, that means 10 power 12 by 10 power 12. Are you clear? Which one we are multiplying by? Now first multiply do because we shifted first. So what will do? This it will go here. Then directly it will multiply this. The answer will come 9.42. Because whenever 12 places, if you 10 power 12 will multiply, then this decimal will come to here. So by 10 power 12 is equal to. Okay. So here down is there. So it is positive there. If you write like this 9.42 into this will go up, then 10 power minus 2. This is our standard form. Are you clear? So this you can write students. This is 9.42 into 10 power minus 12. Are you clear? So same like it. I will say one more examples. Third example, see students very carefully. It has given C given 3651 50 3, 4, 5. So now observe students here. Where is the decimal places? This is the whole number. So decimal place is here. Observe. If not there decimal place, that means the decimal place is right, extremely right side, because it is the whole number. That means the decimal number here. So where it should come? Now it will come to left side because the numbers are all left side here. So here right side not there anything. So the number it will come to here one digit after one decimal place. So how many it will come to left? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 places will come. So whenever that decimal point will coming to what's left, then you have to divide. So what you have to do? 3, 6, 5, 1, 3, 5, 0 by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 power 8 divided. Into if division we are doing, we are multiplying to 10 power 8. Understand? So carefully students observe, when the decimal number it is not given means you have to keep here, you think here is there. So how many places will come to left? Now 8 places will come, so divided by 8. If left side you are coming, you must do division. Okay? So division after, if it is dividing 10 power 8, then multiplying also 10 power 8. So this number I am writing first like this. Okay? Then after you are multiplying 10 power 8. So this don't change. Only we are changing this. Is equal to now. If we divide this, then answer will come 3.651. This 0 noted. Are you clear? Because 10 power 8 means already for this we divided, so directly you can write. No need to divide. Directly you can point keep here and this number all right. Decimal after this 0 no need. So I written up here. So this into this portion of now 10 power 8. This is our answer. You can write 3.651 10 power 8. Okay students, now I will do D. Students observe D. D is given 16.000407. Very carefully observe students. Now here observe where should go. This side also digit is there. This side also one digit is there. So where it will go? Now we need always want to come left side only. The one side not there means we are checking the right side. So now we check the decimal place where it will come. Up to here will come. That means one place will come. One digit should come left. One place should come left. That's why what you have to do? Divided by 10. So 16.00007 divided by 10 power 1. Only one place is 10. So 10 power divided. If you divide this, then multiply 10 power 1. This you have to solve. If you divide it, what will come answer this? Now 1.6 remain as usual. Same digit, don't change this. Into 10 power 1 is equal to 1.67 into 10 power 1. Okay friends, now we will do this. What is that? E 0.0035 into 10 power minus 6. Okay students, you don't worry about this. This part don't worry, only decimal part is here. Where is the decimal place now? Decimal place is here. So here not there anything. That means the decimal place will come to here. How many places will go to right? 1, 2, 3. Whenever the decimal place move towards shifted to the right side, we are multiplying. So how many places will go? 3 places. So 0.0035 into 10 power 6 already there. Yes or no? So we can first we will multiply like this also multiply. 3 into how many places it is coming? 3 places. So 10 power 3. Okay? By if you are multiplying this, then you have to divide by 10 power 3 into this part 1 into remaining what is there? 10 power minus 6. Careful observe. 0.0335. So the decimal place will move towards the right. How many places? 3 places. If 3 places will move, then we have to multiply 10 power 3. If 10 power multiply, first multiply, then divide. Okay? So it's equal to, if you multiply this, don't do divide, multiply first. So how much will come? This decimal place here will come, which is 3.5 into 3.5 will go by 10 power 3 into 10 power minus 6 is equal to, here 10 power 3 denominator is there, so we can write 3.5 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 6, because it is down again. So whenever it will go reciprocal, it will become minus. So 3.5 into base is same, so power will be added. 10 power minus 3 plus minus 5 minus 6 is equal to 3.5 into 10 power minus 9. This is our answer. 3.5 into 10 power minus 9. This is the answer. Okay, students. I hope you have understand about this. And only one thing you have to remember, friends, where is the decimal place and where it should be shifted. Whether it is left or it is right. If it is moving towards the right, how many places it is moving towards the right? The 3 places moving. Then multiply 10 power 3. Then multiplying after by also 10 power 3. If it is moving towards the left, then divide 10 power 3. Then 10 power 3 multiply. Are you clear, friends? So that is the way you should solve this. I will give you some homework for you. Write down the homework for you, students. Writing standard formula. A 35.325, B 1.385, C 0.00000315, D 385, 4.32, E 313.003 into 10 power minus 4. This you should do in your homework. If you have any doubt, you can contact to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.